What if I told you your mind controls almost everything in your life? Your thoughts, your emotions, your habits, and even your future. But here's the truth most people never learn. You don't control your mind. Your mind controls you, unless you learn how it works. Today, you'll understand how your mind actually works and how you can start controlling it, instead of being controlled by it. Part 1. How your mind really works. Your mind has two main systems, the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. Your conscious mind is the part you're using right now. It thinks, analyzes, and makes decisions. But it's slow, and it only handles a small part of your day. The subconscious mind is different. It runs automatically. It controls your habits, your reactions, your fears, and your comfort zone. More than 90% of your daily actions come from your subconscious mind. That means most of what you do is not a choice. It's a program. Part 2. Why your mind resists change. Your brain has one main job, to keep you safe, not successful, not happy, just safe. That's why your mind resists change, avoids discomfort, and prefers familiar patterns, even if those patterns are bad for you. That's why people stay in bad habits, stay in toxic routines, and stay stuck. Your brain thinks known pain is safer than unknown risk. So every time you try to change, your mind pushes back. That resistance is normal. It means your brain is working exactly as designed. Part 3. How thoughts create emotions. Here's something powerful. Your thoughts create your emotions, not events, not people, not situations. Two people can experience the same event and feel completely different emotions. Why? Because of the story their mind tells. Your mind constantly talks to you. If that voice is negative, your emotions follow. Change the thought, and the emotion changes with it. That's the first step to control. Part 4. How to start controlling your mind. Control doesn't mean forcing thoughts away. It means training attention. Here are 3 simple ways to start. First, awareness. Notice your thoughts instead of believing them. Second, repetition. Your mind learns through repetition, not logic. What you repeat, your mind accepts. Third, environment. Your surroundings shape your thoughts more than willpower. Change what you see, hear, and consume, and your mind slowly changes too. Small changes, done daily, reprogram the mind. Part 5. The most important realization. Here's the truth most people miss. You are not your thoughts. You are the one who notices them. The moment you realize this, you gain distance. And distance creates control. Your mind is a tool. When untrained, it controls you. When trained, it works for you. Your mind shapes your life, whether you're aware of it or not. Learning how it works is the first step to changing everything. If this video helped you understand your mind better, follow Daily Mind Facts for more psychology, brain facts, and simple explanations that change how you think. Because once you control your mind, you control your life.